Hi, I'm Aurèle.
Hi, and I'm Thim Zuidwijk. We are the members of the Optics Research Group here at the TUDelft in the Netherlands. Since 2016 we are working with EYEST as the representative of the Photonics Explorer Kit for the Netherlands.
And during the last 5 years we have organized at least 10 workshops, most of them at a university, but also at 4 different locations in the country. We have distributed more than 50 kits all around the country and trained more than 80 teachers and responsible of courses. We were able to have the sponsorship from various local and international companies such as the Dutch Optical Center, Lyonix, Philips or SML. This enabled us to give away the kit to more schools. They have understood how important it is to bring the photonics in the class at the earliest age possible to foster interest in it.
The feedback we got during and after the workshops were phenomenal. Teachers loved the quality and the durability of the optical components, the quality of the documentations, both for teachers and for the students, all available in our native Dutch language. During the workshop we also emphasized to the teachers the need to pay attention to the female pupils that may feel excluded from the technical aspect of photonics. Overall, teachers are always in search for hands-on practical experiment to accompany their courses, and with the Photonics Explorer Kit they're able to offer inspiring experiments to their students just the day after the workshops.
We are thankful for the EU to have enabled the creation of this kit, and EYEST for operating the logistic and advertising of the Photonics Explorer Kit. We look forward for the next 10 years to bring more of the Photonics Explorer Kit in the hand of our Dutch pupils, to inspire them to discover the wonder of light, and to pursue in the future a career in photonics. Happy birthday, EYEST!